is Missy. We talked about protein and having too much could cause problems. So today we're going to talk about calcium. Having too much calcium could be a problem too. I remember when we were little, Mum used to give us the calcium tablets because we're growing, we're developing, and we need a little bit of supplement to build strong bones, get good muscle in our body. But when we're adults, situation changes. So the daily allowance of the calcium is around 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams. And that's quite achievable on a daily basis by just eating balanced fruit, veggie, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. You get plenty of calcium in there. People get onto vegetarian diet or vegan diet, often told by the industry or some people to say that you are going to have the danger of lacking minerals and vitamins. Not quite so. Especially, we're talking about calcium today, that if you're having too much, you're going to have a risk of getting kidney stone, bone health problem, and another one that most people don't talk about. Having too much calcium, it will get into the fatty plaques in your arteries, and it's going to increase the risk of blocking your blood flow going into your heart muscle. And that's going to be detrimental if it becomes a big problem to you. So when people say that you might have a problem with lacking calcium, why not just go do some more research and get a blood test done and see whether you are lacking calcium. Where do we get calcium? You can get it from the soybean products, soybean milk, tofu, tempeh, and you can get it from the Brazil nuts, almonds, and green leafy vegetables. You can get it from most of the Asian greens vegetables too, okay? So next time, if anybody reminds you that you need to take some more calcium, just have a think about it. When you go shopping, check on the label of the products how much calcium it's in there, so you will know whether it will meet your daily allowance. I hope this video helps you manage your calcium intake and understand whether you are having too much or having too little. If you have any questions or comments, please do it. I'd like to hear from you. And in the meantime, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.